To use app lock on the Poco F8 Ultra, you have to start by opening settings. Now you have to scroll down and open all applications settings. Then just simply select app lock. Now input your current screen lock. If you are opening this for the first time, you will be just welcome with some applications recommendation that you can lock. You can unselect them and now you will be redirected to this screen. So as you can see, if I want to lock, for example, my Google application and the messages application, I have to just make this switchers blue. And now what is really important, you have to click on the settings icon in the right upper corner and select and change lock settings when device is locked. I will recommend you to select this one when device is locked or after exiting application. Right now, you can, by the way, even turn on the fingerprint unlock and the face unlock for this app lock feature. And let's try to open messages app. As you can see, I can unlock this by using my fingerprint or by using my password. And it looks actually the same when I try to open my YouTube application. I believe that was the YouTube, right? Or some Google. Now that was the different app, but as you can see, that's how it looks. And thanks for watching.